Coach. Congratulations for winning this tournament.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Very satisfied. This is my first trophy with Kepler. I know the players wanted to give me this trophy. So I'm very proud of receiving this medal today.
Coming back to this final
Yes.
against Police, you have lost 2 sets, then you come back until you won the game.
Yes.
What was wrong in the first 2 sets, and what did you change that helped you to win this match?
Nothing was wrong. Just Police played to another level. And then I told the players they are playing good. We cannot do nothing when the opponent play good. Everything they do, they have success. So you cannot do anything about that. You just have to be patient. And then when you will have an occasion, you have to seize it. And this is what happened. Police played. They were playing good. They played good all the game. But we had our chances, and we took it.
In addition to your squad,
yes,
there are some players like Romeo who are returning back, and even Baptster,
yes,
the middle broker, and there is even the addition of opposite player.
Yes.
What can you say about that addition to your squad?
They are not 100% physically. Romeo is working on fitness, Baptiste also to get strength because they didn't play for like 5-6 months. Jair Santiago just arrived. He's struggling with the altitude of Kigali. He was coming from Puerto Rico, so slowly he's going to catch up. He's a good player, he's a good guy. He already make friends in the team. Everyone likes him, everyone loves him, appreciate him. He's a hard worker, so I think he's on 70% of his potential. We will work so that he can be 100% very soon. Same for Romeo, same for Baptiste, and we are really happy to have the full squad.
Yes. What about the players we didn't see in this tournament, like Julius, the left attacker? We
Yes.
didn't see Arnold, the middle broker.
Yes.
And we even didn't see
Mohamed, yes.
What's wrong with them?
They are injured. They have, it's not serious, but I don't want to take any risk to make a player play when he feel pain. So no, we have a good team. If a player have a pain, if a player is a little bit sick, he have a pain on the stomach, he didn't sleep well, other players can take the lead and play. This is how we build a team that we trust each other. So if one player is absent, the other players will take the lead and keep playing for the team.
The absence of that players,
yes,
the 3 players, were related to the decision of playing Bernard as a left attacker instead of playing as a Ribeiro.
Yeah, yes, because we need a backup for reception. Mohamed is not there, Julius is not there. Those are 2 receivers, and then we have to replace David, who was a receiver by on opposite. So we are missing like 3 receivers. So we decided with the staff to have Bernard as a left attacker, and he was laughing and said, "Yes, I can do it. I can do it." So we said, "Okay, let's go." For me, he liked challenge. Also, me, I like challenges. So he didn't have chance to attack, but he's a good attacker also.
Okay. Thank you, coach.
Thank you.